How long did it take to day trade for a living? The answers are in these videos, so if you want to know, stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. It's the big question I always get asked. When I'm going through my emails, a lot of people say, how long does it take to day trade? When they're interested in getting started in the stock market, these are all questions beginners want get answered. So I decided to make a video on it for you guys. Be sure guys to like and subscribe, and I hope you all enjoy. I suppose the short answer to that question is it's not going to be overnight. If you think it's going to be an overnight success, switch off now. I'm going to be as transparent and honest with you guys. It doesn't happen like that. People try to market it that way, that you can get rich really quickly off the stock market. It's false. You can't. So if it is a get rich quick, jump off to the next YouTube suggestion over on the left. It is a very difficult step what you're about to embark on. There is a fast track. Go check out Flash Forward. Link in description. It is a very long, tedious journey, guys. But if you are thinking of how can I educate myself, check out Flash Forward, link in the description. A little over 2 years ago, I decided to become a full-time day trader. It took me a very long time to make profit, at least 7, 8, 9 months, which for me, as a young dad, just before the birth of my son, it was a very stressful time. I don't recommend doing so. And I tried to do it for free on my own on YouTube. It didn't work. I reverted back to education. You guys all know this. That's my little story. Let's get back to the video. But I suppose what I want to say in this video is if you go into it with the right mindset and the right education, you can become a successful day trader. It isn't an impossible task. To do it alone, personally for me, it seemed impossible. But when I connected with the right people, the right education, it all kind of fell into place. So that's really important. One of the things as well you'll see in a lot of videos is get a mentor, and this really is truthful. When I was getting into it, that was all the advice. But kind of doing my digging into mentors and coaching programs, it was all really expensive, so I didn't have that option. So I tried to give a different angle for you guys that's affordable and different. But mentoring is really important when day trading. Another important view I want you to look at, other than the get rich quick, the flashy marketing that you can be an overnight day trader in 6 hours after a course, is don't look at the statistics. The statistics are terrible and they put you in a negative mindset. They do say 10% of traders succeed and 90% fail. If I was to look at these traders, I wouldn't be where I am today. If I didn't look at those statistics, I wouldn't be where I am today. So I advise you, ignore the statistics, keep your head down and focus on the aim of the game. To recap the video, guys, the answer to the question is how long does it take to become a successful day trader? It really depends on you. It depends how much work you put in and how much energy you focus and believe in yourself. And this will all come down to the deciding factors of education and mentorship. And then it will give you a maths equation of however long time to be successful. It is an impossible question for me to answer, unfortunately. I can only give you my story a little bit on it and my advice on the question. I do hope to help you. If it did help you, please hit like and subscribe. If you do need a hand on getting started in the stock market, do check out Flash Forward. There is a link in the description below. Go check it out, guys. I want to thank you so much for your support. Good night and God bless.